quit setting stuff there.
Why?
Because I'm cleaning it.
Alright guys. We got the carpet going on. Laying that down. It's a tile carpet from Menards. Commercial grade. And all it is just, it holds on with stickers or tape, guys. Tapes on each corner. And then we just stagger them. Just cleaning the desk. Can I get an order?
What?
Can I get
An order? We're not open today.
What's that?
No, we're not open today, sir.
That's a rude customer service. Stacking files and me.
There you go.
Gonna be able to find the files? Should be in there somewhere. Alright guys, so here it is. We got a lot of most of the carpet laid, but we are short. We decided to go with carpet in front instead of the tile because the tile is too thick to go under the door jamb. So we'll just bring out carpet right here. Tile's too thick for the door jamb. So instead, we'll go with those. Just finishing that up. It's going. Looking good. Okay, so we got all of this up.
Those tables. Since I got my cat ready to go.
Yeah. You want one of the black tables?
I can. I mean, I got it on the floor.
Okay, that's fine. As long as, yeah. Whatever you got to do to get it done.
Well, I can do it on the floor too.
Okay.
Get the job done.
How's that shelf going out here?
That one's going to go right in that corner.
On that one,
That big one?
they'll cover up all that.
This right here?
The other wall,
This wall?
it'll cover up all that.
Right. Yeah, we might put it there. Man, that's a lot of hats. I know, we got it.
Yeah, we have a lot of hats back here behind the desk.
Yeah. Should just call it lids.
Open that. That should be the Captain David shirt.
Okay. David Russo's?
Russo ordering stuff.
No, it's a different Russo. Alright, Brittany's getting that set up. Hey, at least these blocks look better than the other ones. Look nice, huh?
Yeah, we know that by personal name.
What's that? Junk?
No, I think it's good.
Yeah,
Backing.
Oh, Terry backings? Oh, put it, yeah, if you want. Shoot. Yeah, right, we can put those under there, Brittany. It's Terry backing. Where'd that come from? That one.
It was under one of these.
Yeah, just stick it under that one. For now.
Is this one gonna go over
Yeah, that one's gonna go into that
there?
corner.
Over there somewhere.
Yeah, it's gonna go right under the window, I think. Yeah, later. Computers have been set up. Things painted, guys.
Away.
Our table. We got some dummies in there. Alright, the computers all over here.
Up and running.
Good to go. Yeah. That's your guys' desk. Make it feel like you're at home. Yeah, you gotta start using that one.
That's good. Keep using that.
No, you guys got to destroy that one.
I only use it rarely for that occasion.
Yeah, that's where it's snow time. That's about it.
Alright, it is Friday, guys. I gotta go get some more tile. The carpet tile. They keep running out. Man. It offsets it.
You want to put the tree
You want to help
up?
me?
You got that side?
No? Alright.
Who are you talking to?
That tree.
It's time to pull.
Oh,
I gotta hook up the internet.
does that do Wi-Fi?
I don't know.
It should. I hope it. Yeah, it should do Wi-Fi.
What's up with this paper towel dispenser?
Yeah, you know how to. It's upside down. You gotta know how to put it in. They didn't put it in well.
No, we didn't put it in yet.
It's sitting there. The floor is wet right now. Sure does. Mess with it. How come we got one sock on and one sock off?
Good morning, guys. It is April 30th, and just coming in the shop. We got Homeland Security, Heartland Security coming in. Morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Good. How about you?
Got it ready to go.
Yep, got it ready to go right there.
Good deal. We'll get that moved and hooked up.
Would you be able to show me how to set codes for
Yeah, absolutely.
how to have like multiple codes?
Yeah, absolutely. That's
All right, guys. So we are getting some the pads, security pad moved. So everybody's gonna have a code when they come in to open up the shop. So that way, you know, I don't have to be here all the time. Or if Amy's gone, at least one of the employees will have the code. So yeah. And then today you'll have to go and try to pick up over there.
Morning. Hey.
Here's Gail's desk. Don't be all quiet. Don't think I showed everybody here. We are getting it all unpacked. Working on it. Got some of Daily Hustle gear. The Flex Fit hats, they're all black. Daily Hustle hats here. Still working on all that stuff. Guys need some Daily Hustle here. Cole's ears. What you think, bud? Look, come here. Remember that? Come here.
I don't remember.
What?
No.
You don't remember that? Alright, I'm gonna go out and we got some gravel here. It's a little wet, but we gotta get some gravel onto the driveway so it's not so muddy. What is going on, guys? This morning Michael and Pon is hooking up the breaker that we bought, or the breaker attachment that we bought last year, and we haven't used it. It's still brand new in its case. So we got a lot of cement breaking that we got to do. we got the quick cat back from the shop. It went in to get carburetor work on. And so the guys went to pick that up, and then we had to take the dump truck in to get DOT'd. Run better? No more asthma?
No.
Good.
You probably just replaced that,
The carburetor thing.
yeah.
Yeah. Right by the carburetor.
Yeah.
Alright, so the gals are finishing up unpacking. So good. Come out better. What? Grandma?
Yes.
Let me see. Why don't you guys wear it?
Yeah, let's make him into Daily Hustle apparel.
That is
Great.
grandma.
Yeah, we
We don't
know.
want nothing grandma associated here.
So where do you want these?
I don't know. Let's put the husky stuff like, yeah, just $5 or something. All right, so guys, we got the electricians here.
Oh, to get it done?
That light's going up.
Also,
I could throw the TV from the house down here.
you know, see over
Nice.
Good Sam? Yeah,
We got
he must
lights
have something
there.
to do with actually over there.
We're gonna now head over to Fairmont. I'll hop in the back. Michael, you wanna drive? I'll hop in the back here. We're gonna go and get some furnitures, guys, for the embroidery shop.